If you notice an orange butterfly laying eggs on your passion fruit vine, no, this is not a monarch butterfly or a pest, but the eggs actually belong to the Gulf Fritillary Butterfly found here in Southern California. The eggs are very small and orange and yellowish in color and are typically laid during this time of year in the summertime. The butterfly is commonly mistaken with the monarch butterfly, but it's actually a lot more smaller. The butterfly is actually not native to California at all, but was in fact introduced through the importation of passion fruit vines. The larva is orange and purple in color with black spines and can be found feeding on any leaves from any plant of the Passiflora family. The chrysalis mimics wood as a way to camouflage from any potential predators during its most vulnerable stage. Although the Gulf Fritillary larva feeds on the passion fruit leaves, they are not invasive and will not harm your fruit production. These are in fact essential pollinators to have in your garden. For more videos like these, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.